How to make a game pass in Roblox. First of all, head into Roblox website. Open any browser and you can type in roblox.com on the web address bar. Make sure to sign into your Roblox account. Click on create at the top. Now once you reach on this created home page, you have to click on creation on the side panel. Make sure you are on the experiences page where you have to click on create experience, or here you can use the default experience. Once you do that, you have to scroll the side panel and under monetization, click on passes. Now here you need to click on create a pass button, and here is the default image or the default pass. You can see you can also create a pass if you wish to, or you can use the default or the custom game pass. So you can leave as it is, or you can also click on change button. Let's click on it and you can save it wherever you wish to. So once you have uploaded a custom game pass icon, you can name it as per your wish. Then you can add a description here. So once you are done with entering the name and the description, you can click on create pass. So once you create a pass, you can select the pass and easily keep it as for sale. For that, you can click on three line icon, and from there you need to click on sales and turn on the items for sale. Then you can enter the price, but you need to keep in mind that you will only receive 70% of the sale price. Then you can click on the save changes. So that's how we easily make a game pass in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.